Electric vehicles, or EVs, have been making headlines for years. They're often touted as the future of transportation, a cleaner, quieter, and more sustainable way to get around. But beyond the buzz, what does driving an EV actually mean for you, the environment, and our future? First, let's talk about what makes an EV tick. At its core, an EV is powered by electricity instead of gasoline. This simple shift brings a host of benefits. For one, EVs produce zero tailpipe emissions. That means no exhaust fumes, no greenhouse gases, and no contribution to the smog that chokes our cities. For the planet, this is a game changer. As more people make the switch to electric, the air we breathe becomes cleaner, and our impact on climate change lessens. But it's not just the environment that benefits. Driving an EV can also be better for your wallet. Sure, the sticker price might seem steep, but consider this. Electricity is cheaper than gasoline. Charging your EV at home overnight costs a fraction of what you'd spend at the pump. Plus, EVs have fewer moving parts, meaning fewer trips to the mechanic and lower maintenance costs over time. Now, let's bust a myth. Range anxiety, the fear that your EV will run out of juice before you reach your destination, is becoming a thing of the past. With advancements in battery technology, today's EVs can travel hundreds of miles on a single charge. And the charging infrastructure, it's growing fast. Public charging stations are popping up everywhere, from highways to shopping centres, making long trips easier and more convenient than ever. Another cool thing about EVs is the driving experience. These cars are smooth and quiet, with instant torque that makes acceleration feel effortless. Gone are the days of clunky gear shifts and engine noise. Instead, you get a ride that's both futuristic and fun. Plus, many EVs come with the latest tech, like advanced driver assistance systems, over-the-air software updates, and even the ability to control your car from your smartphone. But here's the big picture. Transitioning to EVs is about more than just driving a cool car. It's about taking a step toward a more sustainable future. Every EV on the road represents one less vehicle burning fossil fuels. It's a small shift that, when multiplied by millions, can make a massive difference. We're talking about reducing our dependence on oil, cutting down carbon emissions, and slowing the pace of global warming. And let's not forget the ripple effect. As demand for EVs grows, so does innovation. Companies are investing in better batteries, faster charging solutions, and renewable energy sources to power it all. This momentum is driving us toward a cleaner, greener, and more efficient world. So, whether you're thinking about your next car, considering the environment, or just curious about new technology, EVs are worth your attention. They're more than a trend, they're a movement toward a future where transportation is smart, sustainable, and accessible to everyone. The road ahead is electric. Are you ready to take the wheel?